Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Well done.
Very good.
Just keep moving, keep moving. Don't listen to fake news.
Yes.
Don't listen to liars.
Yes.
Don't listen to distractors.
Yes.
If fake news or these lies is to derail person,
Yes.
it will derail me.
Yes. That's true.
But from day one, I remain focused.
Yes.
If you like, say whatever you want to say. Oh, me, I know what I'm doing.
Yes.
I will remain focused. You're the one that will be giving yourself BP.
Correct.
High BP.
Correct.
Because what they wish is
Yeah.
not what will happen.
Yes. Correct.
You understand my point? So let them
Yes.
satisfy themselves.
Yes.
Why should I disturb myself when one idiot, one fool, one criminal, jobless
Yes. Jobless.
person that is
Yes.
sitting down in his comfort of his room, sit down and concoct
Yes.
something,
Yes.
throw it in the air, then I'll be having
Yes.
headache. Why?
Correct.
Why should I?